We're finishing up a roof replacement in Tallahassee, Alabama. This is a GAF Golden Pledge roof replacement. That means that this roof will carry a 25-year workmanship warranty and a 50-year material warranty provided by GAF. We are just wrapping things up, and this was kind of a complicated roof, and I wanted to break down some of the things that we did on this roof. We removed all of the old roofing material down to the original wood deck substrate. This roof had 1/2 inch OSB plywood. We replaced about 3 sheets of 1/2 inch OSB plywood, 3 4x8 sheets. Then we prepped the deck and installed deck armor underlayment. That is a premium synthetic breathable underlayment by GAF. This roof has a lot of sidewall transitions. They're doing some type of remodel job here. This is not us right here, but we took out all of the old flashings behind the sidewalls and front walls and changed out the flashings. You can see some apron flashing right there. We still have to reinstall the vinyl. This is an example of one of our valley systems. We've got a base layer of shingle right there on this side that goes up this side, and then we've got a top layer that goes over that, and then we cut it 2 inches off center where the water can drain. Underneath that, we've got GAF Storm Guard self-adhering leak barrier. We added ridge vent to all of the gable ridges, including over on that side. We've got a long run right here, and then the very top of the roof, and you can see we're still finishing up right there. On all of the pipe collars, we installed an ultimate pipe collar. This is what that looks like right here. And this is a premium pipe collar, and we've got a target piece of Storm Guard leak barrier underneath that pipe collar. And this pipe collar will last just as long as the shingles, and GAF will include this in that Golden Pledge warranty. So this pipe collar has a 25-year workmanship warranty and 50-year material warranty covered by GAF. Got some more ridge vent right here. Got another sidewall transition that we took out the old flashing. On all of these sidewall transitions, we have Storm Guard leak barrier going up the wall and then 24 inches onto the roof deck. And then we install wall flashing with clips, and then our shingles on top of that. And you can see down there at the bottom there, we've got a nice little kick out so water doesn't get behind the vinyl. On these lower slope sections right here, instead of using deck armor underlayment like on the steep slope sections, we installed Storm Guard over the entire panel. There's about 15 squares worth of Storm Guard. That just helps against wind-driven rain events, and these lower slope sections tend to drain slower. That is a 4-on-12 pitch, and the pitch I'm on right now is a 10-on-12. We've got new apron flashing there at that vertical wall transition, and then new sidewall flashing right there on that wall transition. Walking to the front side of the house, we've got 3 dormers in the front. We reflashed all 3 dormers. We systematically removed all of the vinyl and J-channel and installed new sidewall and apron around each one of these dormers. And we got ridge vent at the top of each of the dormers, so this house will be well ventilated. You can see on our valley systems how we do an extra wide kick out there to where water stays away from that fascia All of our valleys kick out that way. They kick out about 8 inches. And we have storm guard underlayment under all of these valleys. All of the valleys are built the same way. This is a Hickory color. This is GAF Timberline HD Hickory. This roof is approximately 70 squares. And it comes with a GAF Golden Pledge Warranty. This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing.